Right now in it, there is a 2.1 liter ABF 16 valve with an upside down M65 GM supercharger of a Cobalt, stage 2, that blows into Hayabusa ITBs and 100 Trem nitrous. It's a fully built motor, rods, pistons, valves, valve springs, 276 shrink cams, headers, port and polish head, and a Mark V 6-speed transmission, O2Q. The front suspension is just a regular Raceland suspension, just the front. And the back have two, it's a cantilever suspension with two GSXR 1000 rear swing arm. And it's sitting on four 16 by 10 minus 20 offset all around. 3-piece wheels, teardrops, basically an original Mark II that's been machined. I've been a passionate of cars, especially Volkswagen, for a long time. Actually, I never wanted a Volkswagen at the beginning before I had a car. I don't know how life works, but I ended up my first car with a 1992 Jetta. From that point on, it was a snowball effect. I went to a car show with a stock car and people were respecting me. It was a big family. It was so good that I got hooked. I met a friend there. His name is Dave. He owns Widebody Metalwork. He is the reason why I am in love with Mark I's. I found this one in 2005. It was blue. The car was not running. I paid $3,000 for the thing, for a non-running car, just because I wanted one. Very rotten. So it went through the first restoration. After the last video I've done with Mario, I parked the car and I wanted to build a car to my like. Literally nothing that is a bolt-on, nothing that anybody has. It's a one-on-one car. As you can see, the seats will be bolted to the cage. They're set to a height, because I'm 6'3", and they're set to a height that I sit comfortable in the car. The steering column is going down 5 inches. It's going to be completely done for my height, myself, and nobody else.